you have all heard that there's no tax on overtime, and I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but I need to make sure that you understand what the law actually is and not what you just heard around the water cooler. No tax on overtime. It's only the half portion of time and a half. And you're like, what does that mean? Well, this is what it means. If I get paid $10 an hour regular time and I've worked an hour of overtime at time and a half, how much do I get paid? $10 times 1.5 equals $15. Now, if I got paid $15 for overtime, is all of that non-taxable? And the answer is, I'm sorry to say, no. Only $5 of that $15 overtime rate is non-taxable. I just busted a lot of people's bubbles out there. I can see your faces. I am so sorry, because when we first heard about this with the big beautiful bill, we all thought, yahoo, no tax on overtime, but that's not the case. So it is only the half portion of time and a half, and it must meet the Fair Labor Standards Act for what overtime actually is. So if you are a single filer, you can deduct up to $12,500 of that half time. And if you are married filing joint, up to $25,000. But these come with income limitations as well. So if you're single and making over $150,000, you're going to pay tax on all your overtime. And if you are married filing joint and make over $300,000, I'm sorry to say, you're going to pay tax on all your overtime. So get ready for tax filing. If you have overtime, get that pay stub, because since the bill was enacted in the summer of 2025, a lot of employers were not prepared with the W-2s to segregate that amount. So just take your last pay stub along with your W-2 to your tax preparer and you should be good to go. But know those rules ahead of time. Y'all, I'm Valerie Kemp, CPA. Follow me for more tax tips and information.